Ever wondered how seemingly complex trigonometric expressions can simplify to something incredibly basic? Today, we're diving into the world of trigonometric identities to unravel a classic puzzle, simplifying secant theta times cosine theta. Our first step is to recall a fundamental relationship, the reciprocal identity. Secant theta is simply the reciprocal of cosine theta. This means secant theta can be written as 1 over cosine theta. Now, we substitute this definition back into our original expression. And here's the magic. When we multiply 1 over cosine theta by cosine theta, the cosine terms cancel each other out. What are we left with? Just 1. This isn't just a mathematical trick. It's a powerful demonstration of how trigonometric functions are deeply interconnected. The key takeaway is that by understanding these fundamental identities, we can simplify complex expressions to their most elegant form.